Look at this. One cutie pie little birdie. This is the after effects of breakfast. Look, sleepy, sleepy birdie, birdie. Oh, look, the fluff up, 1 foot up, ready to go to sleep. Oh, yes, look, all the white still on the beak. Ricey, I gotta get a piece of bounty and clean that Tweety Pie's little beak off. Yeah, look a baby gone to sleep. You're really indeed a little baby. Look at that. Sleeping. Hello, Tweety. Hello, my little Tweety. Look at you. You had a bath. A baby had a bath. A baby had a bath. Baby looks like she has no owner. You're all, baby is all wet. Hello, my little baby. So, are you still upset with me that you had a bath in the middle of the day? And the baby still upset with me? Look at you, you still haven't dried off. Do you want me to blow dry you, baby? Do you want me to blow dry you? Oh, look, all under your tummy is still wet. All the wings and the head is still wet. Oh, little baby Brady. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, the little baby. The baby is, yeah, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Shake it off. Oh, you're giving up on me now? Baby's giving up on me now? Ah, you little birdie. You little birdie, you're giving up on me? You give me a little butt. A little birdie is giving up on me. Come kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss my little baby. Kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. My Tweety Pie. Hello, my baby. Kiss. Look at you. You are so upset with me. Like I have never seen one little green feathers that don't like having a bath. Like, since when? You are the first. So that's Tweety. That's my little baby parrot. She doesn't like taking a bath. She's the first ever bird that I know who doesn't like water. She doesn't like to take a bath ever. She throws a tantrum every single time. She's gonna give me attitude until she dries off, and then she'll be okay. Oh, she's so funny.